But guys, get dressed with me. Yeah, it's my very common. This scarf is from my collection of 100 rand. Very local, and then the long mukanya. I'll take hair. It's nice and long. I'm rushing this one, guys, because the time now is 6:30. See, especially Tina. Especially Tina. It may just go on 6. But yeah. And then the first. And there's no money in Bonana actually. I'm quite scared on ilanti. So just a toilet to yalilokwe. And then that's the first coat. As because I'll show you when I'm done. Let me get dressed. And then when you're gonna but I'll show you if outfit when I'm done.